Hello, my name is Arun Shrestha. I'm a postgraduate student studying Advanced Software Development at University of Kent. For my final project, I'll be making a series of videos addressing some common errors made by novice Java programmers. In this video, I'll be talking about the cannot resolve symbol error. Cannot resolve symbol error. This error usually occurs when the compiler cannot find the variable that it comes across. This can happen if the programmer failed to declare the variable or if the programmer spelled it incorrectly. For this video, I've written some code which takes in two inputs from the user and outputs the product of those inputs. When you compile this program, the compiler returns with a lot of errors, all of which says it cannot find symbol. So let's take a look at these errors one at a time. The first error we come across is around the scanner class. Here, the code says that it cannot resolve symbol scanner. In Java, one of the many ways that you can take inputs from the user is by using the scanner class. Scanner class is one of the many classes that Java provides. However, even though scanner is a class provided by Java itself, it still has the cannot resolve symbol error. This is because we haven't imported the class itself. Most IDE will tell you that you failed to import the class and provide a way to fix it. In IntelliJ, pressing Alt-Enter will bring up a list of suggested solutions where we can choose to import the class. However, if the IDE does not give you these options, then you can go to Google and search for Java Doc 8 and then click on the first link, which will bring you to this current page here. Here you will see all the classes that Java provides, so find the scanner class and click on it. This will redirect you to the scanner page. Here, copy the line java.util and paste it in the IDE after import at the very top. This should fix the error with the scanner. This page also has information about various methods that are in the scanner class. For our example, we're using the nextInt method over here. If you go back to the program, and if you remove the import line again, you will notice that along with the scanner, the nextInt method also has the same error. But after importing the scanner package, both of these errors get fixed. This is because now the compiler can look in the scanner package and see if there is a method named nextInt. The next error is around variable number1 and number2. Both of these variables have the cannot resolve symbol error. This is because we have failed to declare the variable with a data type. We failed to mention to the compiler whether this variable is an int, string, boolean, and so on. For this example, since we're dealing with numbers, let's declare number1 and number2 to be int inside the method. This fixes the error in line 9 and line 12. However, in line 14, the number1 still says that the symbol cannot be resolved. However, the variable number2 isn't showing the same issue. This is because we've used two different spellings for variable number1. So as far as Java compiler is concerned, it will treat these two number1 as two different variables. You will also come across the same issue if you use an uppercase letter instead of a lowercase letter. So make sure that the variable that you're using are spelled correctly. While it may have seemed obvious in this example, that might not necessarily be the case when you're dealing with long and complicated variable names. One of the ways you can avoid making these mistakes is by copying the name of the variable and pasting it whenever you need to use it again. The last error in our program is number 3. The compiler cannot resolve the variable number 3. This is because we're using a variable which we haven't declared anywhere in the code. So let's declare the data type int as we're using it to hold int values. Number 3 equals, and since we're using it to hold the product of number 1 and 2, all we have to do is number 1 times number 2, and the error should be fixed. Now let's compile and run the program to see if it works as expected. Let's input the first number to be 5 and the second number to be 2. and this should give us the value 10, which is what we get. This is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.